Hey guys, so I know you've seen me in this sweatshirt a million times, but it's cold, so yeah. So today I am making some pot pie that I will be winging because I'm supposed to be following a recipe that is not correct. So my mom's just like, here's the ingredients, make a pot pie. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. So to begin with, I have this list of ingredients, and so they're gonna match what I'm using now. I have the pan, chicken broth, cream of chicken, cream of mushroom. This is actually from breakfast. And then I have the pie crust, chicken that's already cooked. That's vegetables, and then we have mushrooms. So first I'm gonna put the crust into the pan to make a bottom layer. So I don't really have a tripod with me here because I wasn't able to bring my usual stuff I usually use to make videos with me on the plane. So I'm taking out the pie crust and I'm just gonna have to do this at an angle. At an angle. I'm just gonna do this and I'm gonna show you. It's just, I wish I had my tripod with me so bad. I'm removing the sides so it like fits in the shape of the bottom of the pan. And then I'm gonna put the extras on the top of the pot pie. Now this is the first time I've ever made a pot pie. Usually they buy the one that we can just cook in the stove, so I don't understand why she wants to do it homemade today. But we're just gonna figure this out as we go. Ugh, this stuff is really cold. Oh shoot. Looks good. So this is it. And it just fell out. Note to Sam, don't put it at an angle. Alright, so the bottom is done. So now we just gotta figure out what you're supposed to put in here. So let me look at the rest. That's how it came out. So we're just gonna like spread it. So this is the cream of chicken. Not everything's perfect when I do stuff, but let's hope it tastes well. So now I'm gonna cut up the stuff and then we're gonna stick it on top. The oven is preheating to 400. So we got that done. And so now we're just gonna cut the vegetables. But you're probably not gonna be able to see that part because I can't cut and hold a camera at the same time. So I have no idea where the cutting board is, so we're just gonna... gonna cut it on this cardboard box. Just what we're gonna have to do. Or a plate. I'm gonna get a plate. And a knife. ready to chop. So, what time is it? Oh my gosh. Okay, well, I failed. I thought I had to get this ready earlier, but I'm actually ahead of schedule. My laptop is on the time of Delaware, and my phone is on the time of here, and I was looking at my laptop time. I was like, it can't be 4 o'clock by now. Oh, well. Who knows? Alright, so we're going to go wash these and cut it. Well, you're not going to be able to see it because then my phone will like die and be destroyed and I will never have a phone again. So I'll be back. Mushrooms have been washed and my dog is just watching me. Great. What? What do you want? What do you want, fool? He's just looking at me. So weird. He's so weird. So, we are just cutting these mushrooms. They look good to me. The cutting does. Not in the kitchen. I mean, sometimes I enjoy it, but these knives are pretty sharp. Look at that. Look at that brown stuff. That's weird. That's weird. The mushrooms are done, so I'm just gonna sprinkle them onto here. I think I overdid it on the mushrooms, but who knows? So we're gonna stick the mushrooms in there. I'm just putting it on top of the pan. I'll show you in a minute. I'm just trying to get this done so I can watch TV. It makes a noise when it's done. That's cool. That's really cool. I like that. Okay. So the mushrooms are done. I just pasted them over, and this is the cream of chicken right there, and then the bottom layer. So now I just got to put in other vegetables, and then these other cream things and chicken broth and all that. Alright, so let's see. So nothing tells me how much chicken broth I'm supposed to put in there. It says 1 can. So we're just gonna, half here. That's all I need to know. So I'm gonna do that actually after I'm done with everything else. So this is done. I gotta recover that up because I messed that up and those smell really bad. So then we're just gonna slice the chicken now. And, oh, no, we're going to slice the other vegetables, so I'm just going to cut these up in tiny pieces. And while it's in the pie, it will heat up with everything else, basically. So I'm just going to cut up a little bit of this. Okay, this is frozen. This is not going to work out. I'm really trying to hurry up. I'm sorry y'all can't see what I'm cutting right now. Sorry, it just hit me who that was. Didn't say your name, Danny. So, I am going to just cut up a little more actually. Alright, so I just cut up the chicken for the chicken pot pie. So we're just going to put it on here too. So we're going to So now, I'm going to show you real quick. So this is the chicken pot pie and the vegetables. And so now I'm going to put the cream of mushroom on top. So then the bottom has a cream and then the top has a cream. Then I'm gonna put in the chicken broth now. And then we are going to put on the crust. Then it'll be ready for the oven. Alright, so hi Daddy. Hi boy. So we're gonna put this, and now we're gonna do half of this, and we're just gonna get it all around. So we're gonna pour this in all around to get everything all juiced up. That was half a container already. So then the juice is in here, it's settling. So then all the vegetables and stuff, I guess, will soak it up supposedly. That's what I'm hoping it'll do. And then we're just gonna put the cream of mushroom in. And then we'll do the pie crust. Alright, so cream of mushroom going in. And now I have an audience watching me. Meeting my dog. And it comes out like jello, it's weird. So it came out just like the cream of chicken I showed you earlier. So I'm just gonna use the knife and just spread it around all over the vegetables. I wish I had another can of this. Pretty sure this is not how you cook pot pie. You can also tell me in the comments, does this look like a pot pie to you? Because I never made one, and my mom's like, you're gonna make the pot pie. So comment below if you think this is how you make a pot pie too. Yeah, because I have a feeling I'm doing this totally wrong. And I'm embarrassing myself by trying to show you how to make it. But I don't care. It's 2018. So here is when everything is in here. So now I'm gonna put the crust on top of it. So then once the crust is on top of it, which I'm putting the crust on now, I am going to, let me just move some of the stuff out of the way. I'm going to be sticking it in the oven to cook for, I think it's 50 minutes. And then, but I'll be doing that at 4 o'clock. So when it comes to 4 o'clock, I'll come back in and stick her in there. And then, so, after it's done cooked, then I will just keep it in the oven to just stay heated until everybody gets home. And this is pie crust, so of course it's gonna come out looking like a heart shape. So we're gonna stick it on top, and I'm just telling you what I'm doing. You can't see it. I'm sorry about that. But on the sides, I'm crinkling it in. I'll show you after I'm done. Trying to make sure every side is covered. It's not all gonna be covered. This looks like just not what I don't think Popeye is supposed to look like. Hopefully they're proud of the work that I've tried to do. Alright, so the pie is done, and I'm just gonna wait till 4 o'clock to stick her in. So we are now sticking the pie into the oven. This is so heavy, people. And the juice is coming out. So we're gonna stick that in there for 50 minutes. And I just burnt my hand on accident. So we'll be back in 50 minutes.